Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert SportyBet code to 1xBet. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will log into your 1xBet account, and now that you're here, you will just have to navigate to the promo section, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to enter your you will just have to click promo code store. So just go ahead and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to enter your SportyBet code in the provided input. And then you will just have to confirm the code. And then 1xBet will automatically validate the code and convert it to a compatible bonus if supported. And then after that, you will just have to check your bonus points, which is right here. Your bonus balance. So yeah, that's basically how it is, so that you will be able to confirm the promotion that has been applied. And yeah, you can use the bonus according to 1xbet's terms and conditions. And yeah, by the way, you should make sure the code is valid and hasn't expired, and some bonuses may require a minimum deposit to activate. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.